Yeah, we're driving. I just dropped the wife off, so wanted to do some POV footage. Um, yeah, I'm out here. I want to get some lenses for these joints that match with my prescription glasses. That'll be sweet. That might be asking too much though. Ugh. Put her in sport mode, sport manual mode. Honda. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Nice little cool morning. All right. Do a little second gear pull. Woo! Yeah, man, she gets up. I know this WRX ain't trying to do nothing. Yeah, it's a nice little cool morning. It's definitely boost weather. Front mount is taking that cold air, taking that cool air charge. Yeah, man. I'm back. I am back. Take my hat off. I don't know if the hat was in the way of the vision, but alright. It's 7-Eleven. Mm-mm. Cold out there today. 36 degrees. Man. What the heck? Supposed to be spring. Mm-mm-mm. I met her at the gas station. Hear that blow off valve? Always wanted to do these POV videos, man. So I'm gonna put this together for y'all. do some more in the coming time. So I think that's sweet. So as long as this light is on, it's recording. 3 minutes of video. It takes a long time to load to my phone, though. I tell you that. Mm, mm. Mm. Yeah, gotta get the kids. I don't want to be the type to be speeding through the neighborhood like I see these kids out here doing in their Chargers and Volkswagens and Genesis.